大家好，现在我们在 Andio 展台之前，我有请到了公司的销售经理董先生为我们介绍产品的特性。So hello, Mr. Dong, can you tell us more about the application field of your products?
Yes, hello, my name is Markus Damm. I'm responsible for product management and sales in Andio. We are a provider of a sensor platform which can be retrofitted on existing machines or assets. The main part is actually to retrofit different kind of assets. Very important to improve digitalization rate. So we are doing that probably in the area of paper industries at the moment to monitor bearings. Mainly in high voltage area for monitoring critical information on the transformer in high voltage environment, and in the area of drives, so to monitor drives in an industry plant and to get important information about the health status of the drives. Our main aim is to provide a retrofitted solution which is wireless and completely maintenance free. That means we don't need any power. We can be self-sustainable, we generate power on the sensor side, and we don't need any modification on the assets to be done. So we can basically plug and play here.
So could you tell us, is there any microcontroller embedded in your device?
Yes, we are using a retrofit platform, actually, which is low power application. So we don't have a lot of power available in our system. So we're using microcontroller architecture, which is also used in automotive industry.
Okay, so could you tell us about is there any underlying operation system for these devices?
Yeah, we're actually providing communication towards a backend system. So either we are using a platform which is cloud-based monitoring, or we're also using interfaces towards a supervision system like a Modbus TCP to provide information to customer-based condition monitoring system on premises.
Okay, so which kind of protocol are used for communication?
We are using our own protocol, so it's a patented radio technology which is especially designed for low power application. It's used on 868 MHz or 915 MHz on the ISM band, so we are using a free band, providing a very robust protocol, reaching very robust technologies and also being able to be used in harsh environment and for example high voltage.
And one more question, so what is the longest distance for the communication?
Yeah, in wireless technology it always depends on the environmental situation. So our hardest environment is for sure high voltage, so we have done tests with a big OEM in high voltage environment. So our wireless system was tested in environments of up to 768 kV and 100,000 ampere pulses with a high magnetic field. So we reached a very good distance of up to 35 meters in this environment. In classical environments like normal plants, we're reaching up to 100 meters from the sensor unit to the gateway. Nevertheless, our communication protocol also provides mesh functionality. That means I can extend the range actually by hopping from one sensor unit to the other.
So, Mr. Dong, can you tell us what kind of data can your device collect?
We are actually technology agnostic. That means we can integrate different kind of sensor manufacturers and sensor types into our platform because our software understands how to read out data. So we are not relying on a specific manufacturer. We can use different types and manufacturers of sensors, for example, a Bosch sensor tag, Turk sensors, whatever, multiple sensors to integrate it into our platform. We have invented a radio communication technology which can actually bring a whole sensor network into a sleep mode. That means we don't use any energy if we are not doing something. But the interesting part is we can wake up a whole network with a specific patented technology and access data of the sensor in real time. What means real time? Real time means that we can wake up a system in up to 5 milliseconds.